Here we have a preferred packaging heat tunnel. This unit is powered off 115 volts AC. On-off switch, your heater control, on-off switch, your temperature controller, your speed dial. Any flickering you see in the video is due to the frame rate of the camera. The LEDs are working fine. I don't have any material to run through. I do have it heated up. You see at the very end of the heat tunnel, it's coming up to over 200 right at the edge. Again, here we have a preferred packaging heat tunnel powered by 115 volts. Contact our sales department for any questions and inquiries into this machine.